Guys, I created my YouTube channel that was 2010, and then I work out my YouTube channel that was 2 years ago already. And now from that I have 990,000 total of views on my YouTube channel, and I got earning this one. So this is my total earnings on my YouTube channel. So however guys, in my Facebook I have million of views. I have a lot of more viral videos. So if you compare on my Facebook and YouTube, so it means guys, in YouTube, as long as you have more viral videos, it will generate you more income. So guys, I'm telling you, in YouTube I never spend of star like you can send to your followers. No, in Facebook I spend a lot of star, but in YouTube I never spend star or super chat. I never spend super chat in YouTube, but this is all generated by earnings on ads on my videos. So it means on total views that I have since I made this YouTube channel, which is 990,000 views of total, but I generate this income. So it's a big difference on my YouTube and my Facebook. So if you are working also on your Facebook, include and make account in YouTube so that it will generate income as well, so that your video will not waste. So if you already upload in Facebook, you can upload also in YouTube, but make sure that the music that you are using are different, because in YouTube they have licensed music only from Facebook, and the YouTube as well is different. They have licensed music from YouTube only. So I hope you understand my tutorial. Please don't forget to follow, like, and share. Thank you so much, and have a nice day.